In 2026, you do not need a camera crew, a model, a studio, or a huge budget to build an influencer brand. You can build an AI influencer from your laptop. But here is the part most people get wrong. They think it is just about generating a beautiful face. It is not. The real game is building a character, a niche, a content system, and a brand people actually want to follow. An AI influencer is not just a fake profile picture. If you want people to take it seriously, it needs to feel like a real brand. That means consistent visuals, a clear personality, a specific audience, a repeatable content style, and most importantly, a reason for people to care. Because if your account looks like random AI pictures with no direction, people will scroll past it immediately. Before you generate the face, before you choose the outfit, before you create the first post, you need to choose the niche. This is the foundation. Do not create a generic AI girl or AI guy and hope it works. That market is already crowded. Instead, choose a clear niche. Fitness, fashion, skincare, travel, tech, gaming, luxury lifestyle. The more specific the niche, the easier it becomes to create content, attract followers, and monetize later. Once you choose the niche, the next step is identity. Your AI influencer needs to look consistent from post to post. Same face, same visual style, same personality, same brand feeling. This is where most beginners fail. They generate 10 images, but every image looks like a different person. That destroys trust. So your goal is to build a character that feels recognizable. When someone sees the post, they should immediately know, yes, that is the same creator. Now let's talk about the free workflow. You do not need expensive tools to start. The pipeline is simple. First, create content ideas. Then generate images. Then turn the best images into short videos. Then edit everything. Then post. That is the system. You can use free or free tier tools for almost every step. The important part is not the tool itself. The important part is having a repeatable workflow. When you generate AI influencer content, do not post the first image you get. That is a mistake. You need to build a content bank. Generate many options, different outfits, different scenes, different angles, different post types. Then select only the best. Think like a creative director, not like someone spamming AI images. Bad images damage the brand. Good images build the brand. So your job is to filter hard. The next level is turning images into motion. Static images can work, but short videos get more attention. This is where image-to-video tools become powerful. You can take one strong image and turn it into a short clip. A head turn, a walking shot, a product pose, a lifestyle reel, a cinematic camera movement. Now your AI influencer does not feel like a still image anymore. It feels alive. Now you need to make the profile look real. Do not launch with one post. Launch with a complete page. Profile picture, bio, first 9 posts, a few short videos, story highlights, a consistent visual style. When someone lands on the page, it should feel like the brand already exists. That first impression matters a lot. If the page looks empty, people leave. If the page looks alive, people stay. Now let's talk about money, but listen carefully. Do not start with monetization. Start with audience. If nobody trusts the page, nobody clicks the link. If nobody cares about the content, no brand wants to work with you. So the correct order is simple. Build attention first, build trust second, then monetize. Audience before money. There are 4 realistic ways to monetize an AI influencer brand. First, affiliate marketing. You promote products and earn a commission. Second, UGC-style product videos. You create content that brands can use in ads. Third, digital products or mini shops. For example, guides, presets, templates, or niche-related downloads. And fourth, brand deals. But brand deals usually come later. Do not expect them on day one. Build proof first. If I were starting from zero, I would run a 30-day sprint. For the first week, I would build the character, niche, and visual style. For the second week, I would create the first content bank. For the third week, I would turn the best images into short videos. And for the fourth week, I would post daily and test what people respond to. The goal is not perfection. The goal is momentum. You need data. You need feedback. You need to see what actually works. Now, very important, do not build AI spam. Platforms are getting stricter with low-effort AI content. If your content is repetitive, misleading, or mass-produced with no value, it can hurt your reach and your monetization. So make the content original, make it useful, make it entertaining, and if the content is realistic and synthetic, be transparent when needed. The goal is not to trick people. The goal is to build a creative AI-powered brand. So here is the final message. Do not build random AI slop. Build a brand. Choose a niche. Create a consistent character. Build a content system. Post consistently. Test what works. And monetize only after the page has real attention. AI influencers are not magic, but if you treat them like a real media brand, they can become a serious opportunity in 2026. If you want the full hands-on lab where we build one step by step, subscribe because that is coming next.